there, I wanted to show you something that I think will be helpful to you if you like to paint quickly and you want to do some really loose work. Painting small will help you tremendously, or it does me anyway. So what I've done is I'm just using these little index cards, and I painted the front and the back with some gesso, and then I painted some little landscapes on there. In my creative community, we had our studio time, and I painted for 5 little paintings on these index cards, and I'm going to show you kind of what I did. These are still a little bit wet. I just put some varnish on there, but here's one, and it's just painted on index cards that are gessoed. So I've got those 2, and I did this one. The lighting's a little weird in here. And one more. So I'm letting the varnish dry right now. Also did this one. So this is the full size card, but what I had to do was cut them down so they would fit in my little frames that I want to put them in. So, and these are going to be super cute in these frames. Let me show you if I can get it turned around. Can you see? Super cute. And I thrifted these, so that makes it even better. So painting small, especially with landscapes, helps me to loosen up, come up with some ideas, not be afraid to try things because it's really small and you're not using a lot of paint, you're not using a lot of supplies, and I tend to loosen up and do more experimentation when I'm using things that I know are inexpensive, like note cards. Hopefully this is a little tip that'll be helpful to you, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.